don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 0, Keswick Stars 0. Orlando Pirates loses via penalties. I'm joined by Chris Notutula.
Sanmonana.
Yebo bhuti omdala.
Ngizobikelela amabhakani abafowethu sibukele arena. Bafowethu iKaizer Star idento iSezri Stars. Hayi bafowethu. I-team le bayibiza bathi nimkoko bafowethu beyifikile le team mfethu angifuni uqamba amanga ababeni serious iPirates ayibeni serious ingaloku ukuthi ilento ifavor indaba yebatch yayo ingaloku ibusiness cha i-team beyifikile angifuni uqamba amanga they came to the party bebazi ukuthi bazoyenzani la bebazela iwin bangazelanga ukuzolo ukuthi babhekwe in terms of ukuthi bazofuna ukushine in terms of ukuthi bona base arena bafuna ukubona cha they came to the party and futhi bayibonisile into bebazoyenza la babulewe babulewe kabhlungu sorry bafethu kancane ayisaculwa kuthulekile kuthetho yakanyiwa nale penalty abanobangophe bona bagopha bafana ipenalty
Libi Roman.
bagopha bafana ipenalty clear penalty libi bazolvesa libi bazolvesa bagopha ipenalty abona ureferee namhlanje bakafavor Pirates yabona ureferee hayi cha ureferee hayi ko
Stibo, I'm a cup specialist. They are out. Yes, I'm a cup specialist. They are out. Yes, badlelwane. Legama lokuthi abona mthuthu.
Yes.
Basazodliwa. Yes, bafana na team, bafana ne Arsenal. Team ukuthi each and every season they start on a high level and they end up down there.
Yes.
There's a space there. Access space up. Siyababoleka. Siyababoleka sizosithatha. Sosithatha ngesikhathi sethu. Stibo this season. Ngitshela ucoach wabo uconcentrator kwi-game eyeChiefs akabhekanga kule game ayakuyo uconcentrate ku-game yange-28 leyo game yange-28 ngiyakutshela Stibo angeke azayithola ne-3 mark my words yazi sobashaya ngani igoli kaSibisi
uzokora iyon goal
Sibisi ibhodlela lobalithembile
No, wathi uyakhala mamela. Khosi ungahambi. Ungavayi. No, ngeke. Khala.
Ngiyakhala ngicela ucomment important brami.
Sure.
Sikhala ngabantu ukuthi bathontshwa amafoni. Khona manje basathontshwa amafoni. Bashaya umask wami mfowethu. Ngicela umuntu okhulisa amask wami. Usap mask wami mfowethu. Why thontshwa why usap mask wami. Wainyaza.